Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of spatial sound reverting to Windows Sonic on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the system tray and select sound settings. Scroll down and click on more sound options. Now let us say that this is the speaker. Right click on it and select properties. Now go to spatial sound. It is off by default, and the next one is Windows Sonic for headphones. So simply keep it off. Make sure that it is not reverting, then click on this and click on this. And if it is for a very specific app, let us say that the spatial sound is for the Photos app. Okay, so search for it and click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Select app settings, scroll down, click on terminate, repair it, and then reset it. Wait till you get the tick mark here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.